Welcome to this detailed tutorial that will guide you through the process of accessing your WordPress files. In this session, you will learn each step in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring that you gain both the technical know-how and a solid understanding of each action. We will begin by directing you to the WordPress website. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once there, you will notice the layout and design that WordPress is known for, providing you with easy access to all its functionalities. After arriving at the WordPress website, your next task is to locate the login option. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option displayed prominently. Clicking on this option will allow you to proceed to the login screen, where WordPress will ask for your credentials. This is a common and secure process that ensures only authorized users can access the content and functionality offered on the site. Once you have clicked on login, the next step in the process involves using a simple and efficient authentication method. At the login prompt, you will notice an option that says Continue with Google. Select this option to simplify your login process. When you click on Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for authentication. This streamlined approach not only speeds up your access, but also leverages your existing Google login, making it easier to manage your information under one account. Just select the account that you want to use, and your session will be authenticated, granting you access to your WordPress dashboard. After successfully logging into WordPress using your preferred Google account, you will now navigate to the Media Library area. The Media Library is an essential component of WordPress where you can manage all of your uploaded files. Although there is a link provided in the instructions, the important point to remember is to look for the Media Library within your WordPress dashboard. This section is dedicated to managing media files such as images, videos, and documents, offering you a central location to view and organize your content. Once you are in the media library, you will notice that WordPress has equipped you with a set of useful features. Within this section, you have full control over your files. You are empowered to filter through the content based on your specific needs, edit your uploaded files, delete any unwanted media, and perform searches to quickly find what you are looking for. Additionally, you can also upload files in various formats, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for managing your website's assets. This straightforward walkthrough covers everything from logging into your account to accessing and managing your media files through the media library. By following these instructions step by step, you will be able to efficiently navigate the WordPress interface and fully utilize the features provided for managing your website content. Enjoy exploring these options and feel confident in managing your WordPress files with ease and precision throughout your online experience.